Learn more than 10,000 of the most useful words and phrases in Italian with this beautifully illustrated dictionary for Italian language students. Building on the success of the English for Everyone coursebooks and the Bilingual Visual Dictionary series, the Italian English Illustrated Dictionary uses crystal-clear illustrations to show the meaning of over 10,000 words of Italian vocabulary. The words are shown in a visual context in themed sections covering practical or everyday topics such as shopping, food, or study, providing learners with all the vocabulary they need for work, travel, and leisure. Italian English Illustrated Dictionary is incredibly easy to use and can be used for self-study or as a reference in the classroom, and is suitable for learners at all levels, from beginner to advanced. Learning Italian vocabulary has never been easier with this visually stunning dictionary. Find the link below and buy the book now.